Clinical trials are research studies that test new treatments and procedures for medical conditions. They are conducted in phases, starting with small groups of people and then expanding to larger populations. Participants in clinical trials are closely monitored by medical professionals to ensure their safety. Informed consent is obtained from participants, and they can choose to withdraw at any time. Many clinical trials are double-blind, meaning that neither the participant nor the researcher knows who received the treatment and who received a placebo. This helps eliminate bias in the results. Clinical trials are essential for the development of new treatments and drugs. They help determine the effectiveness and safety of a treatment before it is approved by regulatory agencies. Medical professionals, scientists, and researchers work together to design and conduct clinical trials. There are many types of clinical trials, including treatment trials, prevention trials, diagnostic trials, and screening trials. Clinical trials can take years to complete and are often costly. Government agencies and private organizations fund many clinical trials. Participants in clinical trials have access to new treatments that may not otherwise be available. However, there are potential risks involved in participating in a clinical trial, including side effects from the treatment or procedure being tested. Before participating in a clinical trial, individuals should carefully consider the potential risks and benefits. Clinical trials have led to significant advances in medicine, including the development of vaccines, cancer treatments, and medical devices. However, not all clinical trials are successful, and some treatments fail to show significant improvements. It is important to note that clinical trials are not the same as medical treatments and should not be considered as such. Clinical trials are an important step in the process of bringing new treatments to the market. They provide valuable information about the safety and effectiveness of new treatments. Participating in a clinical trial can be a way to contribute to medical research and potentially to benefit future generations. It is important to ensure that clinical trials are conducted with ethical considerations that prioritize participant safety and well-being. In conclusion, clinical trials are critical for the development of new treatments and procedures. They help ensure the safety and efficacy of new medical advancements and provide access to potentially life-saving interventions. Careful consideration should be given before deciding to participate in a clinical trial, as there are potential risks involved. Thank you for viewing this video and see you in our next one.